Hey everybody, we're going to make a pot pie with our turkey stew. Nice seal. Smells good. Gonna add some more veggies and thicken it up some more. Just gonna add some of those. I'm very tired today. I'm gonna make a roux, make that a thicker gravy for pot pie style. Hear my squeaky pantry door. I bet there's some WD-40 somewhere around here. That's new. Okay, I'm going to use pre-made pie crust. You can make your own. But this is a lazy dinner. That's what makes your canned food come in handy when you're tired or had a long day or been canning or whatever. I know somebody's going to say, you're not talking loud enough. Stir that in, bring it to a bubble. When it comes to a bubble, I'll show you, and we will add it to our pie crust. Okay, so here's our crust. Let yours come room temperature a little bit before you try and put it in. I had to patch it up a wee bit. Oh. The first one was easy to open. This is really tasty. Just fill up your crust. Gonna have to buy one of these turkeys that are on sale and can up more turkey stew. Okay. Let's see if this one's going to crack up. Or is it still cold? And I'm no pastry professional. And we're just going to tuck it under and then crimp it. And I'm going to pop it in the toaster oven. It's been warm here. Do you hear my stomach growling? It's funny. Go around. It's just for me and the husband, so I'm not worried about too fancy. But you could get all fancy. Been sneezing, so excuse my sniffles. Fall allergies. All those leaves. That wasn't my stomach, that was the ice maker. And this is just one of the things you can do. You can do that, make some dumplings. Have turkey and dumplings. Some slits in there. Already have some. And pop it in the oven at 350. And that's it for about 45 minutes, I reckon. Let's check on it if you make one. So I will come back when it comes out of the oven. There it is, everybody. So I'm going to let it cool because it's crazy hot. And then I'm going to cut into it and eat it. I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I want to eat. So, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you all are well. This is what that take me like 5 minutes, 7 tops, just to thicken the gravy part, the stew. Added some more veggies. You can make your own crust, but another prepper pantry meal. So that's a nice winter meal. Turkey Day's coming up. Make you some turkey stew, can it up, and you can do all kind of stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thinking about you.